Hello everyone. Hello my wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great, doing fine and staying safe. Thank you for stopping by again today. And if you are just tuning in for the first time, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. I create content from Lagos, Nigeria. Please enjoy your stay here. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious creamy mango ice cream using these few ingredients. Stay tuned. Here I have some frozen mango and also non-frozen mango. I have condensed milk here. I have half cup of condensed milk here. And then I also have soya milk. The soya milk here is just to help the blender. If your blender is the type that can do without liquid, you can just keep it and use only 2 ingredients. That is the mangoes and the condensed milk. Here, add a little bit of the soya milk. Remember, it is just to help the blender. Then the non-frozen mango, and then add the frozen mango. Cover. When well blended, pour it out into a bowl. And then add the condensed milk and mix everything together. When well mixed, transfer it into another bowl that you can cover and then put it in the freezer and leave it in the freezer for about 5 hours. After 5-6 hours, our mango ice cream is ready. Yes, so easy to make. And then you can enjoy it. Scoop it out with a spoon. If you have ice cream scooper, use it. If you don't have, use a spoon. You can still bring it out. And enjoy your ice cream. It can stay in the freezer for longer time. You can stay up to a week, a month. But I know you cannot leave it in that freezer for more than a few days. Thank you all for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please, I need your support. Hit that subscribe button so that you join the family. And also click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. God bless you all. Please stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.